Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, we're gonna do a drone delivery by this company called Meituan. Okay, so there's delivery location. I'll be choosing some food to deliver to there. So let's check it out. Now this is done. This means that the order is confirmed. Let's go to the drone delivery place right now. Alright guys, so we have reached this drone delivery center. So let's wait for our delivery to reach. By right, the drone should reach from the sky, right? And all the way down here. It'll be a cool experience, so let's wait for it. Keeping hot. Okay, I've ordered this Chinese food, this Chinese pancake. Let's try it. Right, so it's very easy to settle the issues. You just need to fold it out and fold it. Okay, that's it. And throw it back to the bin there for recycle purpose. Yep, I can put it here. It's very easy. Okay, so that it won't really pollute the environment also.